Hello and happy Funfold Friday, everyone, and happy 2021. Oh my gosh, it's finally here. How many of you guys stayed up till midnight last night? I did. I watched all of the ball drop and till 11, and then 11:30 they did a little thing at the Reunion Tower here in Dallas. And that was pretty cool. So yeah, I had a really great time last night. I hope you all did too. And so we have Funfold Friday today. Oh my gosh. I am going to be using some new product from our new Sale-A-Bration brochure. Now, for those of you who do not know what Sale-A-Bration is, let me switch my view real quick. Sale-A-Bration, and some of you have already received this in the mail from me, those of you who have ordered from me. These are products that you get free when you order $50 or more from either this mini catalog, which is going to be new, or the regular annual catalog. So it's real simple. You just put in an order for $50, pick up your brochure, pick out what you want. Oh, I like this pretty paper here, $50. Okay, I'm going to click that and I get that free. And it's a whole pack of paper. It's not, these are not skimpy little gifts. These are really awesome gifts. So I'll show you a couple that we're going to be using today. Oh, and one more thing. If you have not received your catalog and you know you've ordered from me, send me a message and I'll figure out what's going on. The postal service is so backed up. So, and some of you have received like the Sale-A-Bration, but not the catalog. Some have received the catalog, not the Sale-A-Bration, whatever. Anyways, just let me know. Okay. Today's video tutorial, I am going to show you how easy it is to create a fun accordion fold card. So let me show you the one I made. So this is the accordion card. I'll bring it up and then it just opens up like an accordion. Isn't that fun? Yeah, so that's what we're going to be making today. Sale-A-Bration starts on the 5th, and the pieces that I'm going to be showing you are not available until Tuesday. So, but I did want to go ahead and get started showing you all this fun stuff. So this is the products that I'm going to be showing you here are hombre, and so I wanted to show you what that is. This is the Sale-A-Bration paper hombre. Here we go. And the stamp set that I'm using is called Approaching Perfection. All right, and I'll pull this up so you all can see it better. Okay, and those little stamps there. I know the glare is bad. I probably should not have put it in page protectors. There we go. So that is the Approaching Perfection stamp set. This is an overview of all of the saleABration paper. So it has 4 colors: Blackberry Bliss, Granny Apple Green, Bermuda Bay, and Rococo Rose. It has dots on one side, okay, and then it has like an ombre effect with the ink on the other side. And it's free, and they are 6x6 papers, cut 6x6, and you get 48 sheets, 12 of each double-sided design. So that's pretty exciting. And then here it is again with another stamp set, and I'll be showing you this at another time, but this is the Darling Donkey. That is the most popular stamp set right now in the Sale-A-Bration. So if you think that's cute, you want to mark that as one of the things you want to get right away. Sale-A-Bration is only while supplies last. They don't fill it up. And Sale-A-Bration is different this year. It is only 2 months. Okay, you guys, only 2 months. January and February. Usually we go 3 months, but they've stopped that. They've stopped it at February because they're going to do another one in July and August, and I'm really excited about that. All right, so to make this accordion card, here we go. So the first thing you need is a 4 1/4 by 11 inch piece of cardstock. Then you're going to score it at 8 inches, 5 1/2 inches, 3 inches, and 1 1/2 inch. All right, and these measurements and all of this will be over on my blog. I do write up blog posts for my fun folds because there's so many steps and so many instructions, and it's hard to write down while you're watching me. So don't worry about writing anything down. You can go over to my blog and I'll have it all over there. All right, so I'm doing this one in the Bermuda Bay and the Granny Apple Green. So I've already scored it, if you can see that. I'm not going to fold it yet. I'm going to put all the stuff on it and then I'll accordion fold because I need to do some stamping. All right, and the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to cut some DSP panels. All right, and this first one is, and all three of them are cut at 4 inches long, okay? The first one is at, hold on, let me find it there. Okay, it starts with the small panel. The small panel is 1 1/4 by 4. The medium is 2 1/4 by 4. And the large panel is 2 3/4 by 4. All right, like I said, these will be on my blog. I'm going to put all of my lighter colors to the top. So my ombre is going light to dark, or you can flip it around and make it dark to light. All right, and I just need to tape these on here. All right, so we have a new adhesive tape runner, and it's called the Stampin' Seal. I finally ran out of the old stuff and I am ready to use my Stampin' Seal, and it's kind of temperamental. There we go. It doesn't click like the other one does. It's a real smooth ride, but it's extra sticky. I mean, the other stuff was pretty sticky. This is really sticky. All right, we got that on there. And, okay. All right, who do we have here this morning? Hey, good morning, Kim and Kay, Deborah and Debbie and Carol. Good morning, and Happy New Year's. Yes, so I asked earlier how many of you stayed up till midnight last night. Whoa, okay, this is... I think I'm going to have to figure out how to get it to, you know, every time you get a new tool, you kind of have to figure out how it works best for you. There you go. Whoops. Yeah. There we go. All right, and usually I just click off to the side. There we go. I guess you just kind of have to be careful. A little slower than usual. All right, so like I said, I'm using this Oso Ombre paper, and if you noticed on the other side, where's my, I had some example. Oh, here's the paper. So if you notice on the other side is the other color. So there's that. And then the polka dot. So all the Bermuda Bay and the Rococo Rose are together. And then the Granny Apple Green is with the Blackberry Bliss. And so that's that. Cool, huh? All right, and like I said, you get 48 sheets of this. It's a lot. All right, we've got that on there. Now we need to, step 3, we're going to punch 2 balloons. All right, so here we have a balloon punch, and I've already punched my balloons for us. Okay, and we're just going to put these right here. So, and you want to make sure you don't put the adhesive all the way over because you're going to have this come, where am I? Right there. Yeah, this balloon is going to stick off the edge of the accordion fold there. This one doesn't really matter. Okay, we got our 2 balloons on there. Then we need to stamp the sentiment with the Stamparatus. Now the reason I'm using the Stamparatus is because I'm stamping it right here and I only have 1 shot at it, all right? And so I don't want to mess up. And I probably should not have stuck that balloon down yet. Yeah, oh well. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's just going to be in there. All right, and I'm using the Bermuda Bay ink. So one more time, this Oso Ombre comes in 4 colors. The Bermuda Bay, the Kelly Apple Green, Blackberry Bliss, and Rococo Rose. All right. I'll use my hand there and press that down. All right, pretty good. This, if I'm going to show you up a little closer here. See how my day did not stamp very well, or the birthday in the little sentiment. So, and the sentiment says, the bad news is I forgot your birthday. The good news is I forgot your age. That was pretty clever. Okay, let's see if I can get this stamped on there better. Oh, much better. Yes. Okay, so happy birthday. That's so fun. I love that. All right, let me get my squeegee and clean that off real quick. Okay. All right. Next, step 5, stamp the candles on white and cut it out. All right, so I've already done that also. These little candles come in this stamp set. I didn't even show it to you yet. I'm sorry. Your Approaching Perfection stamp set, and this is free with $50. It has the cutest saying, so it's a happy birthday, obviously. And I've read that one to you, the bad news and the good news. This one says, so what if you're a year older? You're fabulous. And then if things really do get better with age, then you're approaching perfection. And then newsflash, birthdays found to be good for your health. Studies show that people who have more birthdays live the longest. Ah, that's funny. Okay. And now this little guy is just going to go, and he's going to hang off the edge too. So you want to make sure you put your adhesive over here on the other side. Okay, come on, adhesive. Play nice. There we go. And that goes right there. Okay, now, make sure I've got everything done here. Oh, nope, we need to draw some strings for our balloon. So I've got a black writing marker here. And we're just going to draw some balloon strings. There we go. And then we need some bling. This is my favorite bling. This is the, it comes with the for every occasion. And even though the colors aren't exactly the same as what we're using, they go, like this blue goes with this, even though this is the blue, the balmy blue. But it still looks pretty with this Bermuda Bay. I love it. So we're going to put a sequin over here. And then we can put one here. And we can put one here. There we go. All right, I like it. One last thing, we're going to put some balloons over here with the little balloon stamp. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of start off the page. And you only have to tap it a little bit. This little stamp kind of wiggles, and you kind of have to be real careful or you'll get the edge of the stamp stamped on there, and you don't want that. Okay, there we go. Just a little something else. All right, there we go. We are done. Now for the magic. You ready? You ready? Here we go. So this one goes, this is the back, so we're going to fold this way. And now we just come, it's just an accordion. And whoops, don't fold your candles in there. And there is your accordion card. Let me pull it up so you can see it better. And you open it up. How fun is that? Okay, and let me show it to you in the other color. This is the one, my practice one I made. So there are the 4 colors of this Oh So Ombre, and I used the Approaching Perfection stamp set. So that's a lot of fun. And I know that working with new products, like I said, it's not available till January 5th, Tuesday, but I'm going to go ahead and get started showing it to you so that while you're making your wish list, you can see some of this product up close and personal. So, all right, we got Meemaw says, morning friends, 2021 has to be much better. Let's make it better by creating with Kristina. Oh, that's a sweet Meemaw. You're so cute. And then Dorothy's going to try this later. Very good. Like I said, I'll have it over on my blog, all the instructions. I just got to type it all up after I finish with you guys here. All right, I want to make sure I covered everything before I say goodbye. The new catalog starts Tuesday. Oh, don't forget, I'm doing a paper share right now. And the paper share is all the paper in the new catalog. And you have 2 choices. You can either do it as a quarter pack like this. This is a quarter of a pack. Or a half a pack. So there are 2 choices. It's on my blog. Just look in the events for paper share. And it'll take you to the page that has the PayPal buttons. This paper is so cool. So when you are looking through your catalog at all the paper and you want it all, but you don't want to spend all that money and you don't want tons and tons of paper because our paper packs are big. You can buy just a little bit and then see, oh my gosh, I really like that a lot. I need more. Then you can go buy more. But to get started, you can do a paper share. So that's available right now. And Okay, also don't forget I have the card challenge. So Wednesday I started a new card challenge. So go over there and follow the instructions. It's pinned to the top of the page. And you guys have a blessed and wonderful first day of this new year. And don't forget to eat your black-eyed peas. Everybody has to eat black-eyed peas. We gotta have a good year. I love you guys. Bye-bye.